Hello. Yan. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi ever.
Oh. Ang pangalan ko ay I'm Ever Gladness. And I'm an independent spoken word artist. And yung piyesa ko ngayong gabi ay una kong pinerform sa Scarlet Letters. And ito yung pangalawang beses na ipaperform ko siya. And it's about people living with HIV.
Nice.
Ang title nito ay Countdown. 1. I am counting the days that you will survive from this story. There's no other life than this, and the past and the history will not be kind to those people. They are the unloved, the untouched. They are drowning every day in the ice of judgment. The society is killing them day by day. Is this the life that they deserve? Is this the type of pain that they must endure too? They are the bothered and the bewildered, the scorned and the misunderstood. I just could not get this out of my system for months, thinking that it is bad enough that people are dying of AIDS, but no one should die of ignorance. 3. I've learned that 36 million people are currently living with HIV. Unlike any other viruses, the human body cannot get rid of HIV. That means that once you have it for life. No safe and effective cure for HIV currently exists, but the scientists are working so hard to find one and remain hopeful, and I am even hopeful for. It started with a cloud of fear. You don't know who to tell when it became clear that it was infectious, that it was potentially fatal, and that there was no treatment. That gave birth to a widespread stigma, a widespread discrimination against those people living with this monster 5. When someone tells you you're beautiful and you're worth more than that, you've always been someone who doubts yourself, but believe me, 6, I want to make you feel worth it, to let that feeling pass through your brain, make you feel it ugly in every marrow of your bones. I want to give you my words, my actions. I want to make you believe that we can defeat this monster. Heaven knows you want it. Sometimes brutal honesty is beautiful too. 7. Disclosure is a tough process, but you don't have to face it alone. It's not just your problem. It's not just someone else's problem. It's everybody's problem. The 8. Don't give them hatred. They don't need devastation. Don't need our obnoxious judgment. They need compassion. How can someone swallow the sight of nudeness, aggravation, and discrimination when all that is left to ask from us is our better comprehension? Than 9. There are some nights that these people just wanted to end up their life, but their story needs to be told. Their story needs to be shared. Their story needs not to be buried in a city of forgotten skeleton, because their body is a temple of lonely, and they too deserve a land of happy that tempt. I am counting the days that you will survive from this story. There's no other life than this, and the past and the history will not be kind to those people. They are the unloved, the untouched. They are drowning every day in the ice of judgment. The society is killing them day by day. Is this the life that they deserve? And this is not the type of life that they deserve. Is this the type of pain that they must endure? And this is not the type of pain that they must endure. Bali yun yung mga piyesa namin na sumali kami sa Hoggle Scarlet Letters, and they will be performing the same piece, so it's like a reunion for us. Thank you so much!